Most people wait for spring to start planting. That's already too late. By the time they put seeds in the ground, the best harvest window is shrinking fast. If you want food in spring, you plant before spring arrives. Right now, these are 7 crops you can plant now that quietly build a reliable spring food supply while others are still planting. No complicated setups, no fragile plants, just crops that understand timing better than people do. The first one surprises almost everyone. Radishes are built for early planting. They don't mind cool soil. They don't fear short days, and they mature in about 3 to 4 weeks. Plant them now, and you're harvesting before spring even feels settled. Miss the timing, and they turn woody and bitter. Speed is the whole point. Spinach is next, and it thrives when planted early. Cold soil actually improves its flavor. Short days slow bolting, and you can harvest leaves repeatedly instead of waiting for a single moment. This is one of the few crops that rewards early planting with better food, not just faster food. Peas demand early commitment. They germinate in cool ground, climb while temperatures are mild, and produce before heat ruins them. Planting peas late doesn't delay the harvest, it destroys it. Early planting isn't optional here. It's survival. Green onions don't wait for perfect conditions. They grow in cool weather, tolerate uneven sunlight, and can be harvested young or left to mature. Cut them once, they return. Cut them again, they return again. They quietly stretch a spring harvest longer than almost anything else. Lettuce only works in spring if it's planted before spring. Cool temperatures keep it tender. Early planting prevents bitterness. And leaf varieties allow harvest long before full maturity. Once heat arrives, lettuce doesn't argue, it bolts and leaves. Timing is everything. Garlic rewards patience more than effort. Plant it now, forget about it through winter, and harvest in late spring or early summer. It uses cold as a signal, not a threat. Skip the cold, and the bulbs never form properly. Garlic isn't slow, it's strategic. And finally, broad beans. They're tougher than they look. They handle cold, grow early, and produce when most gardens are still waking up. In many climates, they're one of the first real protein crops of the year. That matters more than people realize. Spring food doesn't come from spring planting. It comes from early decisions. These crops don't wait for comfort. They take advantage of the gap between winter and warmth. Plant them now, and spring feeds you. Wait, and you're chasing the season instead of using it. If this helped you plan smarter, like the video, subscribe, and share which crop you're planting first. Because timing grows more food than effort ever will.